Charlotte Takes a Leap, an animated read-aloud. Charlotte knew the signs: her towel, a floating toy, and her human's excited voice. Dock diving night. Charlotte barked and dashed to the door. She loved training days, agility, scent work, tricks, but there was something about flying into water that made her tail wag faster than ever. At the dock diving facility, Charlotte could barely stay in her seat. She barked and kicked her paws with excitement. Waiting, not her favorite. But when she stepped onto the dock and looked down, her paws froze. She was used to jumping off of the small dock, but she had never jumped off the big dock before. It was so high above the water. She paced to the edge, then backed away. "You've got this, Charlotte," her human said, holding up her toy. Charlotte looked down at the water once more. It still seemed far, but she remembered how proud she felt when she learned her other tricks, how trying new things always started with one small step. With one deep breath, Charlotte seemed to whisper to herself, "I can do hard things." Then she sprinted forward and jumped. That was the moment that changed everything. Charlotte had taken the leap and realized she loved it. This wasn't just another fun sport, this was flying. From that day on, splash after splash, leap after leap, she couldn't get enough. A few days later, Charlotte returned to the dock for practice. This time, her humans set her farther back. "Stay," they said, but Charlotte dashed forward too early. "Timing takes teamwork," her humans said. They practiced again and again. Charlotte tried her best to wait and listen. On the night of her next league event, the dock was packed with excited dogs. Charlotte barked and kicked, especially when another dog hesitated. "I can do this, let me go," she seemed to say. Finally, her name was called. Charlotte stepped onto the dock, eyes on her toy. She took her position. Her human whispered, "Stay, stay, go!" Charlotte charged. She soared. She caught the toy mid-air. Cheers erupted from the sidelines. Even the nervous pup barked. At the weekend competition, the energy was electric. Charlotte lined up alongside the best jumpers. She stayed. She waited. She flew farther than ever before. 13 feet 2 inches, a new personal best. On the ride home, Charlotte snuggled into her towel, tail thumping sleepily. Some leaps take courage, some take time, but every leap starts with a little faith. Charlotte is a real dog. She is a spirited Cockavalier, which is a half Cocker Spaniel and half Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. She loves dock diving, playing frisbee, and solving sniff-worthy mysteries. Just like in the book, she was once nervous about jumping off of the dock, but now she soars into the water like a pro. She wants you to remember to take a breath before a big leap. Even the bravest pups get nervous. She has some tips for you. If you want to dive like Charlotte, this is what she learned. Number 1, every dog learns at their own pace. Keep trying, even if you splash instead of soar. Number 2, waiting your turn is hard, but it's worth it. Cheer on your friends while you wait. Number 3, listen to your coach and your human. Stay means stay until it's go time. Number 4, celebrate progress, not perfection. A personal best is a reason to celebrate. Thank you for listening. You can find this book on Amazon, at Barnes & Noble, in your local library, wherever books are sold. Thank you.